This is Ethan Followill.
This is Ethan Followill. Kani waa Ethan Followill.
He's 19 years old.
He's 19 years old. 19 sano ayuu jiraa.
And he's a student.
He's a student. Asagu waa arday.
Ethan's family is from the US.
Ethan's family is from the US. Ethan familygiisa Mareykanka ayay ka soo jeedaan.
But now they're in England. His parents have a lovely house in a village near Birmingham.
His family, qoyskiisa have a lovely house, guri wanaagsan ay ku leeyihiin in a village xaafad near Birmingham oo u dhow Birmingham.
These are Ethan's parents.
These are Ethan's parents. Kuwani waa Ethan waalidkiis.
His father's name is Dorman. And his mother's name is Blythe.
His father's name is Dorman. And his mother's name is Blythe. His father's name is Dorman. Aabihiis magaciisa Dorman waaye. And his mother's name is Blythe. Hooyadiis magaceedana waa Blythe.
Dorman's a businessman.
Dorman is a businessman. Dorman waa ganacsade.
He has a good job in London.
He has a good job in London. Londonna wuxuu ku haystaa shaqo wanaagsan.
Blythe is a part-time teacher.
Blythe is a part-time teacher. Blythe waa macallin wax dhiga maalmaha fasaxa.
She likes cooking.
She likes cooking. Wax karinta ayay jeceshahay.
And Ethan likes helping.
And Ethan likes helping. Ethan wuxuu jecel yahay inuu caawiyo mamada.
Ethan has a big family. He has 4 sisters.
Ethan has a big family. Ethan wuxuu leeyahay family weyn. He has 4 sisters. Afar abaaye ayuu leeyahay.
Kater is 21. Jordan is 23. Esther is 24. And Peyton is 26. Kater, Jordan and Esther are in England.
Kate, Jordan and Esther are in England. Waxay ku sugan yihiin England.
But Peyton isn't. She's in the US.
But Baden isn't. Laakiin Baden kuma sugno. She is in the US. Mareykanka ayay ku sugan tahay.
Peyton is married. She has an apartment in California with her husband, Michael.
But Baden is married. Baden laakiin way guursatay. She has an apartment in California. Guri ayay waxay ku leedahay California. She is with her husband, Michael. Waxay la joogtaa ninkeeda Michael.
Ethan likes music a lot.
Ethan likes music a lot. Ethan music ayuu aad u jecel yahay.
His favorite thing is his piano.
His favorite thing is his piano. Shayga uu ka helo waa pianadiisa.
He likes writing and playing music.
He likes writing. Wuxuu jecel yahay qoraalka and playing music iyo ku ciyaaridda heesaha.
He likes sport too.
He likes sports too. Sidoo kale wuxuu jecel yahay sportska.
His best friend is Charlie.
His best friend is Charlie. Saaxiibkiisa ugu wanaagsan waa Charlie.
Ethan and Charlie both like baseball.
Ethan and Charlie both like baseball. Ethan iyo Charlie labadoodu waxay jecel yihiin baseballka.
Ethan's girlfriend's called Sarah. She's not in England. She's a student at university in California.
Ethan's girlfriend is called Sarah. Ethan gabadha saaxiibka lah Sarah ayaa la yiraahdaa. She is a student in California. Arday ay waxay ka tahay California.
Possibly, yes.
Well, listen, I should probably take off.
Yes, yes.
Perfect. Anyway, I'll see you in a bit.
Ethan has a big family and good friends. He has a great life.
Ethan has big family and good friends. Ethan wuxuu leeyahay family weyn iyo saaxiibo wanaagsan. He has a great life. Waxa uu haystaa uu leeyahay nolol wanaagsan.